How to turn off comments on Facebook post. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Facebook app. Here we go. At the top left corner you can find your profile picture. Tap on it. With that you will land to your profile. Now scroll down, head towards the post in which you want to turn off the comment. Here I'm gonna select this one. At the top right of the post you will find 3 dots. Tap on it. With that, different options will pop up. Select the option of who can comment on this post. Tap on it. Who can comment on your post. Here you're gonna get different options as public, friends and established followers, friends, and profiles and pages you mention. You have to select this option of profiles and pages you mention to turn off the comment. After you do that, tap on the option of done. With that, you have just turned off comment on this Facebook post. Likewise, you can apply the same process and turn off comment on other Facebook posts as well. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.